Okay, hello everyone. So, my name is Felipe Durango, and today I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about my experience in this course, in this English, teaching English to adolescents and adults. So, first of all, I want to start talking about my pedagogical practice experience of the teaching course. And the number of my course is of my group is 28 with the tutor Gina Marcela Polanco, who didn't help me too much during my process. So my process was in the virtual community, and my teacher Gina, so she didn't help me a lot because sometimes I asked for help and her accompaniment was not very optimal. So, but at last, I enjoyed my practice in that environment, in the virtual community. So, um, my institution was really good. I think it was really amazing. I enjoyed it, and the population with what I had with I worked so was really amazing. They were adolescents and adults, and this practice was very significant for me because I was able to explore and recognize knowledge that I already had. So, in addition to having approach with my students and feeling that I was the leader made me realize and feel that I am doing things well. So I think the most important thing is that my students learned many things from me. My students enjoyed my classes, my funny classes, and so well. On the other hand, having to plan in a present class was very pleasant for me because as the days went by, I was able to show that the knowledge so I imparted was appreciated by students. I was able to present a bit of listening, speaking, basic level grammar, help, and imparted knowledge that I know will be very helpful to my students. And what else? Well, so I know that I'm still learning English. I'm still improving my English skills, you know, and that's the idea. But I really enjoyed this opportunity that I had in the virtual community with each one of my students. They were really amazing. They enjoyed it. And for my next courses, I could improve not so much in myself, but more in the practice leaders. I consider that they should have a better organization for one to be sure that you are carrying out the activities and teaching classes, so in the best way. So I would also like to clarify that I had a good experience in the environment. So I would like to have more accompaniment from my next teacher. I don't know. And thank you very much for this environment, for this space that they are offering us. So thank you so much. I really appreciate this opportunity, and I hope to continue learning more and more. So thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.